So this here is our new Coral Reefs exhibit. This is an expansion of what we used to have before, where we had 2 smaller tanks and one set of equipment. That tank ended up being a little bit too small for our needs, and we also got a very generous donation from Gary and Pamela Thomas. They donated mostly what you see in this tank, most of the fish and most of all the coral. And their love for the ocean and for these particular corals and animals is what generated this whole new exhibit to come forth. Because of what they did, we were able to make this whole new exhibit and show everyone what we have in our oceans, warm water oceans. Mostly everything else we have in the Science Center is all cold water stuff, but all of this kind of shows what can live in the warm water parts of the oceans that we have. So our previous tanks, we used to have some of the fish that are in here that moved into the new tank, like the puffer that's in the corner there, the leopard puffer. He has been here for a little while. A couple of the clownfish that you can kind of see, we had those. Also, the blue tang and the yellow tang, we did have those in the previous tanks. Even though this blue tang that you see in here right now, this is one of the new ones. What we got from for this new tank is pretty much all of the coral that you see. All of these bubble tip anemones, these are all new. And these are the particular type of anemones that the clownfish actually live in. So you can see the clownfish have been, or are kind of living in these anemones, and that's what they use for their home, for defense, and to kind of be safe. They live in the anemones. A lot of the other fish, we have some wrasses in here, also that you can kind of see moving around. There's a lot of actually other fish in here. There's dozens of fish, but a lot of times they're hiding inside the coral, so you kind of have to sit and kind of wait in front of the tank for a couple minutes, and then you start to see the fish actually come out. Ones that you didn't see like 10 seconds later that are just kind of hiding. So this is a tank that you kind of want to come to and then spend a little bit of time just looking, because you always see something different every time that you look also. Come check out our new expanded coral exhibit here at the Seacoast Science Center.